Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in or sign in your Vinted account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. Vinted is a platform where you can sell or buy stuffs. So to get signed in into your account, you need to first of all get the app downloaded or open it in a website. So simply open your app on your mobile phone, and once you have opened it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you're here, you will get two options: sign up for Vinted or I already have an account. So if you tap on I already have an account, this will allow you to get logged in or sign in into your account by the help of Google, Facebook or email. So simply choose one method, and once you have selected it, you need to type in your username or email address and the password of your account and hit the login button. However, if you have forgotten the password, you can simply tap on forgotten your password and enter your email address to send the reset link. So by following this way, you can simply get logged in into your account on Vinted. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.